How to fix YouTube account login errors. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you can't log into YouTube, here's a simple step-by-step guide to fix your account login error. Let's get right into it. The first step is to check your internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, and if you are on your phone, you can try switching over to mobile data, and if you are on mobile data, turn it off and try switching over to Wi-Fi. You can also additionally try to turn on the airplane mode. This will reset your network and you can try to log in back again after turning it off. The next step is to restart your device. A simple reboot can fix everything. So long press on your power button, you'll get the power off menu. There you can find this restart button, tap on it, and after the restart, try logging in back again. The next step is to clear cache and cookies if you're using your browser. For that, tap on your browser and then you can find the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on it and you'll find this option to delete browsing data. Head over there, then select cookies, cache, and other site data. Go to more option. Then just make sure that the cookies, site data, and cached images and files are selected. And right on top, you can select the time range as well. I'll just go ahead and select last 7 days. Now tap on delete data and you'll be good to go. You can additionally try to clear cache off your YouTube app. For that, long press on YouTube, find the I button at the top right, then head over to storage down below, find the clear cache button, and once you've done that, you can also remove and re-add your account on your phone settings. After doing so, just give it a quick refresh and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.